You're free. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. We got snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. I pull up to Kroger's. I get me a car card. I get the debit card. And I go on the spree. I pull that Cat Williams. I just grab on them snacks. And then my mama tell me to put them Gushers back. Snacks on snacks on snacks. 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 My boy got on that snap, and we call it a bet. But we don't really care, cause we young and we fast. Pockets all small, but I ain't got no snacks. Oh, I meant to say, I ain't got no snacks. What up with Gushers?
I said that we eat the snacks. What he say? He said that he don't rap. I eat the Doritos. Eat these cornflakes. Man, I got it wrong.
Whoa. Yes. And we like all them Cheetos. I like them Doritos, and I also like Fritos. Bam. And we always eat Gushers, cause we got some big heads, so we eat the big heads too.
You know we got the snacks.
Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Oh. I got some roll-ups, and I got Doritos too. I also got some Gushers, and I also got Reese's. Yeah, we keep the Lace, and we keep the Cheerios. We always keep them snapbacks, and we always keep them fruits there. So we get them snacks. So we got the snacks. Pocket full of Gushers, not full of snacks. I make it rain with Reese's. Girl, what you saying though? I ain't throwing it in the club, throw it in my mouth though. That's good. Knock it out the ball. Stomach bone full. I feel like I'm about to fall. We got Devin Ball. Stupid balls. And we got them stupid debit cards. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks on snacks.
The cool Mick Mac. Ooh, that's not a Big Mac. Eat that Reese's. Look at me. And feel greasy.
Yeah. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Snacks on snacks.
Jig with the snacks.
Jig with the snacks. Jig with the snacks. Catch up. Nick the grill in that bag. I'm just that bad. Hey, we some fools though. We all family. Happy 4th of July. Snacks on snacks on snacks. I got all types of snacks. I got all types of bars. Look like they messed up in back. I meant to tell you that. Earlier today, when this my little cousin, his name is Nico. In the sky. Hey. We don't need cash like you other rappers.
You just fish to the fullest.
We keep Gushers and fruit rollers on there.
We gotta hide these snacks.
We always got our debit card. Food stamp shouting
all the time.
Real black people got food stamp. We ain't got food stamp. They ain't from the hood, cuz. Outside Chicago where we reside. But right now, we in COB. City of the violence. City of the violence. Snacks on snacks. Again. You ain't honey. You ain't real, dog. You ain't real, dog, unless you got some Gushers, cuz. Real talk, cuz. You ain't got no pack of Gushers, cuz. You ain't 100, dog. You ain't got fruit rolls, you ain't 100, dog.
You ain't got no great value.
Real talk, dog, like Clyde Woody. If you ain't got Buffalo Blazing Doritos, dog, you flawed, dog. Look like Fishy song. I got Doritos. Look. I don't need no girlfriend. I got my Doritos and also got my bag, cause I get hot when I eat. Then I start to fart and it smell like tarts. Ooh, I just forgot. I like strawberry pop tarts. Yeah.